Good morning, KG2. I hope all of you are doing well. So stay home, stay safe. So this is ICT time. I have a very interesting activity for you. So when you go to the Edmodo page, you can see the link that takes you to this page. You can see my mouse is moving over there. You can see this activity when you click on the link. So what you have to do is you have to type using the keyboard. You have to type the name of the animal that comes on the screen. So I'm going to type the name of the animal, it's hyena. So I'm going to type Hyena. So I get 1 point there. Now, what is this animal? So if I don't know the animal's name, I'm going to wait for the timer to stop. And it's an eagle. So I'm going to type EAGLE. I get 3 points. Okay, oops, I don't know the name of the animal, so I'm going to wait for the timer to stop. Yep, and I get the name of the animal, and I'm going to type HEDGEHOG, and I get 4 points. Now it's a bear. I know the animal's name, so I'm going to type BEAR. I get 5 points there. Now what is that? It's a crocodile. Okay, I have a confusion, so I'm going to wait. It's a crocodile, CROCODILE. I get 6 points. Okay, that is a rhino. So I'm going to type RHINO. I get 7 points there. That's a goat, so GOAT. 8 points. So this goes on like this until you get 50 points. So try as many as you can, or at least 25 points. Okay, so enjoy the game, have fun. See you. I miss you all. Bye.